Professor Walton, how do I create the issue section of my report writing essay? So glad you asked. I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step instruction on how to create your issue section of your report writing essay. So before we go there, I kind of want to show you guys what the issue section looks like. So if we go into our modules, we're kind of familiar with this. We've already done our week 1. We're going to scroll down, and actually you guys don't have access to week 1 anymore, but you're going to scroll down to essay number 1, report writing essay. So as soon as we get there, we will see the breakdown of the assignment. Oh, that's beautiful and lovely in every way. So this section right here is the issues section. So you're going to write out 3 specific issues. Now, in last week, you guys chose a topic, and you chose what you kind of thought about. You wrote about what you kind of thought about the topic, which is great. That's actually the first part of your thesis sentence, which is finding a subject and making a claim about it. Okay? So the third part of your thesis sentence is going to be, you're going to say your subject, make a claim about it, and your reasons why, aka your issues/topics. So for example, let's just say you chose social media. So if you chose social media, you might say that social media is good, social media is bad for these 3 reasons A, B, and C. Okay? So your reasons, like I said, are your topic issues. Now, rather than just say this is true because I say it's true, or because you as a student says it's true, you have to have sources that support what you think about that topic. So if you're saying social media is bad or social media is good, you have to have sources, credible sources, that support what you think about social media. So if you say that social media is good because it's good with relationship building, as I did here. Now, what I will say is do not use my sources, and do not use my reasons. Because I want you guys to do this on your own. You need to learn how to research, okay? So I'm not being an angry person, just you have to learn how to research. Okay? So let's say for my first issue, I'm saying social media is good because it's a relationship building place. So after I say social media, that's my current topic, my issue is that it's relationship building. And then these sources are supporting what I say about relationship building. Okay? So my issue topic number 1. So this first source I got from a credible place. And since it's not in the document, it's doing weird things anyway. So, and then this is my second source by Samuel Steen, okay? So we see where we have our in-text citation. Now, these are both books. So it's going to be last name, page number. And we'll talk about how to create your, my cat's jumping all over the place. We'll talk about how to create your in-text citations later. All you need to do is worry about finding your quotes from your sources. Now, in assignment number 1 of this week, there is a video on finding credible sources using the Illinois Central College's library website. Okay, so you'll want to do the finding sources first before you try to write the issues. As you see, you have to have sources in your issues, but if you haven't found sources yet, then it's going to be very hard for you to create this section, okay? So anyway, so now I have my first thing is relationship building. Here are my 2 sources to support that, okay? Then I'm going to my next issue. Now, actually, this is an opposing source, but yours need to be all supporting, okay? So I say it can influence and impact potential career opportunities. So here I have one source that supports what I think about impacting career opportunities, and second source that I found about career opportunities. So you see, both of my sources underneath each topic support what I say about this thing. Okay? Does that make sense? I know you guys can't answer me, but yeah, so that's how we create our issues section of our report writing essay. I highly suggest, like I said, find your sources first. So that means you'll have to go to that video that I created for you guys on finding credible sources. And the sources that you find have to support what you think about the topic. Let me just tell you ahead of time. Finding sources on a research library can be difficult. It's okay. It's quite all right. Um, it's a necessary evil. It's a growing pain that none of us like. So rather than have a attitude of I don't want to do this, you might as well go ahead and lean in, find yourself a cup of coffee, get a blanket or your teddy bear, and let's go ahead and knock it on out, okay? So just letting you guys know. Now, you guys will have a weekly meeting scheduled with me this week, as you do with every week. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, I might be able to help you with that part of it too. But understand also, I'm not doing this essay for you, so a lot of this work is going to be done on your own during your own time, okay? I know that was extra and you really didn't need that part, but this is how you create your issues section of your report writing essay. Okay, guys, looking forward to what you guys create. See you soon.